Hello everybody, welcome back. Let's have a look at Ethereum today instead of Bitcoin. Bitcoin is more or less the same, more or less unchanged. To be fair, there's no point in really talking about it. The last two videos still remain true. Ethereum technical overview 4-hour chart. Testing 200 EMA, a golden cross retest. Bullish divergences on both RSI and money flow index. First resistance, $2,559, just above current price. Further resistance, 50 and 200 SMA. Short signal present. If current support is lost, next target is $2,400. Daily chart. Trend signal at risk of invalidation. Needs a close above $2,671 today to stay valid. Price is below key moving averages. In the center of Bollinger Band range, currently in consolidation. Weekly chart. Ethereum still weaker than Bitcoin overall, holding 21 EMA as support for 6 weeks in a row. If there's a deeper drop, support lies at $2,230. Market sentiment and environment. Global uncertainty is affecting sentiment. Technicals still look decent but fragile. Charts alone can't account for global risk, e.g., wars, geopolitical tension. Bitcoin dominance chart. Still bullish, making new highs, but bearish divergence forming on RSI and MFI, not confirmed yet. If divergence confirms, likely top is in altcoin rotation could follow. Looking for a higher weekly close to confirm divergence and set up alt bounce. Altcoin market cap. Return to major support zone, $1.12, 1.15 T. Still above 21 EMA. Bouncing is possible. Still in a technical uptrend, but very choppy due to macro instability. S&P 500, macro context hovering near resistance at 6,000. No strong trend, but support zones remain. 5,755 and 5,649 are key downside levels. No reason to buy at resistance. Wait for support levels. Final thoughts. Market is structurally bullish, but on shaky ground. Charts suggest uptrends, but geopolitical instability introduces major risk. Build your house with good materials, charts, but if it's on clay, macro instability, it may not hold. No strong buy signals right now, only support/resistance trades. Patience and caution are key. Wait for confirmation or clearer signals.
If you need a more detailed analysis with a step-by-step guide, check out these programs. Link in the description. Here are today's top 10 coins for investment.
Number 10. Alright. Price, 92 cents. Market cap, $17.24 million. Trading volume, 24-hour, $675,390. It has decreased by 19.41% from yesterday. Number 9. LQTY. Price, 94 cents. Market cap, $88.99 million. Trading volume, 24-hour, $24.63 million. It has increased by 26.16% from yesterday. Number 8. Arrow. Price, 83 cents. Market cap, $691.74 million. Trading volume, 24-hour, $122.14 million. It has increased by 26.13% from yesterday. Number 7. Bitcoin. Bitcoin should soon hit yet another all-time high, but then it needs to be monitored for a potential fall-off. Price, $104,349.04. Market cap, $2.07 trillion. Trading volume, 24-hour, $50.8 billion. It has decreased by 4.27% from yesterday. Number 6. Atom. Price, $3.96. Market cap, $1.54 billion. Trading volume, 24-hour, $95.37 million. It has increased by 2.23% from yesterday. Number 5. CRO. Cronos is known to be one of the leading altcoins and usually makes the first move, which is after followed by others. So Cronos can be used as an indicator for the other altcoins. With close monitoring, it can double your investments by investing in Cronos and then after a big move transferring to another coin for the same move. Price, $0.087. Market cap, $2.72 billion. Trading volume, 24-hour $21.31 million. It has increased by 12.41% from yesterday. Number 4. Pepe. Price, $0.00000099. Market cap, $4.16 billion. Trading volume, 24-hour $949.92 million. It has decreased by 20.58% from yesterday. Number 3. Ethereum. Ethereum is a good investment for the short term. If the altcoin season finally happens, Ethereum would be in the front, leading other altcoins. And if you are looking for a long-term investment, Ethereum seems kind of risky and I would suggest waiting until the end of the year for a possible low. Price, $2,482.59. Market cap, $299.72 billion. Trading volume, 24-hour $23.5 billion. It has decreased by 2.08% from yesterday. Number 2. XRP. XRP has a very good setup for a bullish run. It just needs to break past the $2.50 resistance. Also, as all other altcoins, XRP needs a favorable position from Bitcoin and stocks. Price, $2.13. Market cap, $125.34 billion. Trading volume, 24-hour $3.25 billion. It has decreased by 34.25% from yesterday. And number 1, of course, Algorand. In my opinion, this coin is one of the best risk to reward ratio investments. Of course, it needs to be monitored to keep the risk at minimum, but with the current setup, it could reach even beyond its all-time high, which would be more than 10x from now. Algorand is associated with XRP and usually moves very similarly, but since it has a lower market cap, it offers bigger gains. So if XRP manages to go over the $2.50 resistance, it could result in a very rapid growth for Algorand as well. Price, 17 cents. Market cap, $1.43 billion. Trading volume, 24-hour $75.55 million. It has increased by 7.13% from yesterday. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Take it easy.